Hey everyone, my name's Joel Dykeshorn and I am the Associate Principal here at TDChristian. And I want to take a couple seconds to introduce you to our newest team member, Miss Marissa Stratsma. She's our new Admissions Director and she's here to tell you about an exciting event that we have coming up soon.
Hi everyone, I'd love to invite you to our fall open house here at TDChristian. It's happening on October 10th at 6:30 here at the school. You can RSVP or find more information on our website or by following the link in our bio. We'd love to invite you in to see what TDChristian has to offer.